It's like the Great Cambridge Boat Race thing. Look, I keep having to try and turn us so we're facing forward. I'll just keep rowing. I need to move. It's rather uncomfortable. Excuse me.
You just hit Chloe in the head.
Row the boat and then downstream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Beth, going into the riverbank. No, we're not. Well, until I turned the boat round. Focus on paddling, Chloe. I'll make sure the boat's going in a straight line.
Okay.
I'm very good at this race.
No.
My sleeve. Oh right. No, it's £5. Beth, the boat. I don't want to crash into them. I know, that's why we need to go this way. I pushed off the bottom of the
You just needed to go into the next slide.
Row, Bethany. You're not going to the straight line.